Hi, this is Earth Parts Time. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the agitator cap on your Whirlpool washer. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation brands, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new agitator cap for your Whirlpool washer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The agitator cap protects clothes from getting snagged and damaged when the washer is operated without the upper agitator installed. Open the washer's lid. Then squeeze the handle and rotate it counterclockwise while lifting to remove the agitator. Next, insert a flathead screwdriver into one of the slots on the agitator cap and lift up on it while prying on one of the retainer clips to release it. Repeat these steps on the other side to remove the cap. Here's a side view of the agitator cap to help show how inserting a screwdriver through the hole in this cap will allow you to pry open the tabs that hold the cap in place. If you need to purchase a new agitator cap, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. To install, align the retaining clips on the agitator cap to any of the holes on the wash plate and press into place. If you plan on using the washer without the agitator, make sure that you press on the agitator cap and align it so it does not catch any clothes. Align the agitator to the grooves on the agitator cap and rotate it clockwise to secure it in place. Then, close the washer's lid. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.